want thicker hair, and today guys I'm gonna be using aloe vera with dermaroller, and let's jump straight away into this video. I'm gonna be using 0.75 millimeter 400 real individual needle dermaroller from Dermaroll Beauty. Here I have the attachment. I'm taking, because attachment is clean, disinfected already, so we don't have to disinfect. But if you want to know how to disinfect with oxygen, liquid oxygen foam, I'm gonna link somewhere here in the corner of the video, you can check it out. And that's how I take it off. First I take that part by pressing over here this button, gently press the button, and with 2 fingers take that off, put it back in the case, if in case you need to use later. If not, just throw away. Then gently I put new head over here, and here we go, we have a new head dermaroller. I will use 400 needle dermaroller instead of using 192, because the longer the dermaroller, the bigger the dermaroller, the faster I'm gonna get results. I could use this one, but today I decided I'm gonna use 400 needle dermaroller. This is 0.75. We have attachments for 75, 1 millimeter and 1.5 millimeter dermarollers. This dermaroller is also really great for stretch marks. And if you want a stretch mark dermarolling video, I'm gonna put somewhere here in the link as well. All right, so I start dermarolling my hair with dermaroller, and then I will apply aloe vera. I'm starting with one long like that. I do 5 times. Pressure is as same as you will shave, guys. When you have this line, you go across the line 5 times. This is easier. Now if you want to do this 1 2 3 4 5 and lift. If you're beginner, 5 times is enough. If you are advanced, that means you've been doing for more than 20 times, you can do 10 times. Today I'm gonna do only 5 times. So I will leave like a 1 inch in between. So that kind of makes me look pretty. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5, and then again kind of a little bit more, also like 1 inch in between. Some people say, Jen, I lost hair. I started losing hair after dermaroller because you started using first session for half an hour, rolling back and forth 50 times. Of course you're gonna lose hair. If you guys watch my account here on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, you will see that I am very careful. I'm always starting with the smallest size possible. Anything related with microneedling, the smallest size possible is 0.25, and then also as less rolls as possible when you're beginner, and not as often as people will do. If you will be doing this for a half year to a year, I promise you will have results, and if you're going to be consistent. And aloe vera is really great to be used after microneedling. It has antibacterial, soothing, nourishing properties. I have done in the past some microneedling videos of the scalp with aloe vera. You can just enter in YouTube Jen Amber aloe vera hair dermarolling and you will have that. I have a lot of videos about face dermarolling for anti-aging results. Myself, I don't have no Botox, no fillers, no lasers done, no surgeries, nothing. I'm 39, have nothing to hide. So now I'm kind of gonna try to do in the back, but also want to make sure that you guys can see that. I don't know, but I kind of separate like this, and then I don't know if I'm doing correctly or not, but I kind of try to feel okay with the fingers here. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I do feel it actually. Maybe here. It's kind of hard when I'm trying to film and do at the same time. So right there, yeah, I don't dye my hair here in the back, so that's my natural color. And I do have gray hair, that's totally fine. And then here, separating as well. 1 2. Trust me, most of the people lose hair over here on the hairline. So this is where I'm kind of gonna push everything back like this, and I'm gonna go just like even hold it. And gonna go even like this, for example, like that, kind of push back a little bit, and then go 1 2 3 4 5. take this off, and I kind of do the same in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Like, you basically do this everywhere. Make sure you feel it. That shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, guys. So what do I do right now? I actually disinfect the Dermaroller. I'm gonna disinfect with the foam. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna wait until it's gonna go down, and tomorrow or later today, gonna rinse with filtered water. I'm gonna wait until the filtered water is evaporated, dry, and then I'm gonna keep using that for the 9 more times. You guys asking me how often should you replace Dermaroller? I personally, because needle, usually in medical field, needle should be replaced every time, but I will say with Dermarollers, needle still gets duller, but not, we don't have to be so strict. I use up to 10 times Dermaroller. All right, we're taking, aloe. Did you know that aloe vera contains vitamins like A, C, E, B12, and folic acid? Yes, guys, you can use something really cheap that costs nothing if you have in your backyard or at home aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant has amazing, incredible benefits for your hair. You see right now I'm cutting kind of like, I chopped in half. And then there's no rule, there's no tips how you can use your aloe vera plant, but make sure aloe vera plant goes deep into the scalp. I'm separating, I'm doing like in between the hair separations like 1 inch, and here are the benefits of aloe vera. I really do love aloe vera because after that for a week my hair like feels so good, feels hydrated, feels nourished. I don't need to wash my hair so fast, and this is really great to be used after microneedling. So when you finish microneedling, make sure you do all of this. I didn't mention, but make sure you do all of this on a clean scalp. When you wash your hair, and when your hair gets dry, don't dry hair with a hair dryer before microneedling. Naturally dry, then apply aloe vera. Gently rub into the scalp. Don't rub too harsh, like kind of like shaving armpits, this kind of pressure. So aloe vera stimulates hair growth. Actually, it does. Even without microneedling, if you don't do microneedling, use aloe vera just like that I just used for hair, because it does stimulate. It does have enzymes like proteolytic enzymes that actually helps to remove dead skin cells and clogs hair follicles. This allows for better nutrient absorption and creates a healthy environment for hair to grow. Actually, aloe vera is a great moisturizer for your skin, overall scalp skin and your face skin. It can reduce dandruff and itchiness, especially itchiness after microneedling is, guys, fantastic, because after microneedling your scalp, you itch a little bit. This also balances your pH, strengthens and repairs hair. As I mentioned, it does have vitamin A, C, E, B12, and folic acid, which is incredible. It's like protein shake for your hair. It's great. So I hope you're gonna like this. When you try, let me know down in the comments below if you did try, if you love it. If you don't want to use nothing after microneedling, that's absolutely fine. Don't use anything at all. I hope you guys gonna like it. Subscribe if you haven't. Please follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I love you guys. Mwah.